Hi dear viewers, today I want to talk about what is user-defined function and what is the important elements of user-defined function like function prototyping, function call, function arguments and parameter and function definition. So first I want to define what is the definition of these elements, and in the last of the video I want to show how to implement this in code block. So watch this video till last. So what is function prototyping? Function prototyping is specifies the type of value that is to be returned from the function and that is to be passed to the function. It defined in the beginning before the function call is made. When you want to initialize function prototyping or write function prototyping, so you must write before function calling. The syntax of function prototyping is a return type, name of the function, and list of parameters, list of arguments. For example, void sum. Void is the return type, sum is the name of the function, in integer is the parameter of the function. So what is function calling? Function call can be called by specifying name in list of arguments enclosed in parentheses and separated by comma. So this is the way of function calling. If there is no argument, empty parentheses are placed after function name. For example, like if there is no arguments, like if there is no x and y, so you can only write sum and parentheses. If function return a value, function call is written as assignment. If function returns some value, so like in this example they return a. So what is function argument and parameters? Arguments are also called actual arguments, and actual arguments are written within parentheses at the time of function call. So our parameter also called formal parameter. Formal parameters are written within parentheses at the time of function definition. So this is called formal argument. So what is function definition? Function definition, it specifies the particularities that is to be performed by the function. Like the first line of function is called main function declared, and rest line inside is called function body. Now I want to show you how to implement the elements of user defined function in code blocks. So first I want to write function declaration or function prototyping. So this is the syntax of function declaration or function prototyping. Void add is the name of the function, integer is the parameter of this two is the parameter of add function. So this is the main function, and these two variable I initialize, and so I ask from the user enter two numbers. So scan f %d and address of x, address of y. So this is called actual arguments or call by value. So when you want to call a function, so this is the way of calling function, and this is also called actual argument. And if you see in that place, this is called formal arguments, like void add integer a and integer b. This is the two parameter I passed in this function, and I initialize one variable c, and I assign to c the addition of a plus b. So this show the sum is %d %dc. So this is function declaration and function call and function prototyping, and this is the syntax of this all. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest videos.